Hi dear viewers, this is Professor For you here with another very important and interesting video. The topic of our today's video is the solar system, how the system is working, how the moon, stars, other planets are working. So let's start. If we do research, we should know the sun is traveling with the speed of 600 miles per second, and this process is continued from the last 5 billion years. Moreover, the other 9 planets, 27 moons, and so many millions meteoroids also traveling with the sun in the solar system. But there is no accident, there is no any casualty, there is no any mishap, and also no anyone observed with the speed problems, the speed lagging behind, the speed is increasing, path is changed, the path is differentiate from the original path. So all are working very systematic process. They all are traveling with very systematic theory. If we think, then we should know who is the designer of the system, who is the lawmaker for the solar system, who implement the law on the solar system, who control the system, who is the controller of this all system. But nobody knows who is the authority, who is the boss of all these processes. If we see towards the moon, there is also very interesting and very informative theories. The distance between moon and the sea is near about 37 million miles. But the moon having the quality, having so much influence, power of the moon is basic source for the movement of the water of the sea, like ups and downs continuously day and night. How it can be done? The moon having so much powerful system that the billion liters of water is moving all the time. What is the benefit in the result of moving the water of the sea? So this is also a very interesting thing. The first benefit of moving the water is the requirement of oxygen for the living creatures in the sea is maintained by this process. Secondly, the water of the sea can't be smelled because the moving water must be seems like a fresh water. Thirdly, it helpful for the cleaning of all useless items which are entered in the sea. They moved with the movement of water in the deep seas and destroyed and dumped there. Fourthly, the quantity of salts in the water of sea is also maintained by this movement because the all living creatures can live smoothly and easily in this water. If the quantity of salts may increase or decrease, then it is difficult to live all these creatures which are living in the sea. So this is also a very interesting thing. Who is the mastermind who is maintaining these all things? Moreover, when we observe the deep seas directly connected with the seas which are underground, the pure waters means the pure waters and the salted waters are combined with each other in the deep seas. The other side, they are not mixing up. Who is the authority which bound them to not mix salted water with the other one? These are wonderful discoveries which I explained here. Who is the mastermind of all these processes? Everybody knows, never ever have seen the authority, but everybody know the name of that authority. The Almighty is only ultimate authority who is the mastermind of all these things. These all informations was discovered and discussed 1400 years ago by a very decent and a very honest person, the name Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. So on the base of the informations of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, the other scientists tried to discover all these things like Einstein. They also have believed these all things which was prescribed by the Holy Prophet. So we wasted 1400 years for this research. If we think 1400 years ago there was no any academy, there was no any university, there was no any professor, there was no any scientists, there was no any mastermind who tried to discover all these things. Only one authority was known, the Almighty Allah, and share his knowledge, share his information, share his all interesting things with his Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. So be positive and have a knowledge from any religion. Where you found anything, must collect it, must have it, must benefited from this knowledge, because the knowledge from the Christianity, knowledge from the knowledge from the Jews, knowledge from the Hindus, knowledge from the Muslims, all the religions having very vast knowledge. So please try to get this knowledge, because religion having no any boundaries sharing their knowledge, and the person who get knowledge without limitation these religions, that is the person become Einstein, that is the person become Aristotle, that is the person become Newton, that is the person become Alexander, and etc. Get the knowledge from any published books by the Almighty, like the Holy Quran, like the Bible, and like other books which are prescribed and published. But in my opinion, the most important and most interesting and most beneficial and authentic book is the Holy Quran, having very much vast knowledge. According to my opinion, this is the depot of knowledge. So this book carrying all aspects of knowledge, all fields of knowledge, all subjects of knowledge. So please try to understand and read this book and get the knowledge for your better present and future, and for the betterment of your society. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.